can see this is how the wig came, already pre-plucked. This is Yoowigs' new Afro Coily Magic Knot Undetectable 13x6 HD Lace Front Wig N001. The hair came pre-plucked, like as you guys saw it. I just want to twist it the more, which you can see me do. By the way, this wig is 18 inches and is from Yoowigs. I'm going to leave the details of the wig on the description box, so if you're interested, you check that out. The wig is their new Afro Coily Magic Knot Undetectable 13x6 HD Lace Front Wig.
Look, I'm in line with the stars, I'm in sync with the earth. 10 toes deep, flower child from the turf. I never switch sides, like even
in case if you don't know how to pluck hair, you can just leave it because the wig already came pre-plucked. So I just wanted to customize it a little. You can see the side I pluck and the side that I did not pluck. You see the great difference. So I added water. The water I'm spraying on it is mixed with conditioner. I added conditioner inside the water. So I sprayed the water all over the hair. This is just to detangle if there is any tangling. That is why I did that, but the hair did not tangle, which is good. So after that, I spray this coily hair spray on it. I'm going to leave all the products I use on the description box, so if you're interested, just check the description box. You're going to see all the products I use on the description box. So I sprayed it on it and finger comb through the hair. Start to feel like I'm on one. Settling, I'll be here for the long run. I'm a slave for the cash, got snakes in the grass, no brakes on the ad, but it's all fun. Gorgeous, if it is your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Chelsea. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please, if you like it here, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe, and if you do, don't forget to click on that bell icon so that you don't miss videos like this from me. So I applied this on the hair as well. This is to make it more softer and to define the coils the more. You guys saw the way I'm just applying it, and you see how the coils, they are kind of I twist the other side off camera in case if you guys want a detailed video of how I twist my hair. I'm not a professional anyway. I'm trying my best. Just let me know. I'm going to do a full video to show you guys how I pluck my wigs. So after that, I use a hot comb. If you're the type that like bringing out baby hairs, you can do the same thing. If you don't, you can as well leave the hair like that. You can see the difference at the beginning and now. So I use got2b glue spray on it. This is to hold down the hair, then I tied it down. So guys, this is it on. I'm going to cut the excess lace. These are the baby hairs. So you can see that the lace, the color has changed because I add airbrush legs. You guys notice what I use. So I spread that on the lace. That is why you see that the color is same thing with my skin tone. So I'm just going to cut the excess lace from it.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I here?
So guys, this is it. I have cut the excess lace from it. So before I glue it down with you guys, I will want you to watch the unboxing of this hair. Then I will be right back in a minute.
It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on?
So guys, I'm right back. I did this side off camera, so let me do the other side with you guys. So I first of all add gel. You guys know I use gel. Spread.
How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind?
So that is it. So guys, that is it. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you like it, don't hesitate to check the description box. The direct link to this unit will be on the description box, and also if there is any discount code, I'm going to leave it on the description box as well. If you like it here, go just subscribe and hit on that bell icon. Thank you so much for doing that. And if you like this hair tutorial, why not support your girl by hitting on that like button. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. Ciao.